This is the Chevy Spark, and in this video I'm going to show you how to go from this, with the rear seats folded up, to this, with the rear seats folded down. Now you'd think it'd be an easy process, that all you'd have to do is pull up on these little pins right here and push the seats forward, but no, never that easy. It's a three-step process, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So the first step is to go into the back seat and reach underneath the seat cushion and just give the cushion a very firm tug upwards and forwards. The seat cushion will actually pop off, and then you can fold it forward against the seats in front. Let me show you that one more time real quick. Reach underneath, pull upwards and forwards pretty firmly, and the seat will pop forward just like this. The second step is to remove the headrests. It's a pretty simple thing to do, but there is a trick to it. First off, you're going to need to press on these little plastic buttons right here to get the headrests to remove completely, but you'll also need to tip that seat forward about 10 to 20 degrees so there's enough clearance room between the top of the seat and the ceiling to actually remove the headrest completely. And the third step is the easiest. If you haven't already, pull up on that small plastic pin, and then the seat should fold forward and lay down flat to complete the process. So that's it. Once you know how to do it, it's really not that bad. My first attempt took me, I don't know, a couple of minutes, just because I was figuring things out, but after that I could do it in about 30 seconds. One quick tip before you go away. When you are putting the seats back, obviously you just reverse the instructions, but you do need to be careful to pull up on the seatbelt handle, the little latch right here, when you're putting the seat cushion back in place. Otherwise it'll get trapped underneath and you won't be able to use your seat belts. So, kind of a difficult, annoying process, but once you get good at it, it's really no big deal. I hope this helped. If it did, or even if it didn't, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join me next time when I rent and review another rental car. I'll see you then.